WordPress 101 for boomers. And today we're going to go on into plugins. I love plugins. They're a lot of fun. They add so many things to your site. I mean, there's plugins for everything. When you go looking for plugins, it's like shopping in a candy store. There's a plugin that will get rid of the spam, that you can keep the spam from coming into your site, the comment spam. There's a plugin that can connect you to the various social media sites, to your blog. So people can easily share your site on blogs, or you can actually have your Twitter feed coming in on your page, Facebook like buttons. There's all kinds of things you can do to connect with social media. You can have a plugin that automatically backs up your website so you don't lose the content in there. There's just an amazing amount of content, amazing amount of different plugins, and I just love them. And we're going to go ahead and get into the plugins and show you how to find them and what they are. Plugins, just a bit in the dashboard, you go ahead and you click on the plugin. This will show you what plugins you already have. This is where you can add new plugins. I've already added a couple of plugins here, and then we can change some of that as we go along. What we have here is a Kismet. I don't have that activated right now, and I'm going to show you why it should be activated. With it left off, I could show you what it is, what happens when you don't have any type of spam filter. But these are the plugins that are active. This is a SEO plugin. This helps it make it so the search engines can, it works better with the search engines. And this one over here has rotates little quotes, which I'm putting as a widget over on the side. Let me go ahead and show you where that is. Now that I'm through playing, see right up there. Now that I'm through with the themes and changing the themes, I'll go back in there and have it, because sometimes some of those words come down and they kind of go into that search box, and I'm going to give it a little bit extra space there and a little bit to help that. But anyway, right now we're working on plugins, and that's what the one plugin does with the quote word. It just changes. I would put in the different quotes in there, and it changes them around. As you can see here, if it says activate, the plugin's not activated yet. You can click on it to activate it. You can click on it to deactivate it. You can check mark several of them at one time and activate, deactivate, update, whatever you want, and just work on them all at once. You also have this button up here. Like if you both just like if you were going to delete them all, which we're not going to do, but you would just go check, 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 check. Actually, if you just check here, it checks all of them. And this is good to do if you have something wrong with your site, it's not working properly when you added a new plugin, or when you upgraded. When you upgraded, maybe your plugin's not working well, so just go in and deactivate all your plugins, see if it's working, and then go back and add them one by one. But you could just go there and click and apply, and that would deactivate all your plugins at once. I'm going to go ahead and back and activate these two here. This one here, the WordPress SEO, is a new one that I'm working on. Anyway, I like it. I'm going to get back into, when we get to this plugin, show you more of the things that you have. So that's one that is good to have on your website. There are several good SEO plugins, and so a lot of it is just to pick and choose which ones that you want to have. Let me show you how to add a new plugin. They've made it really easy. We don't have to upload them to an FTP server or anything. We can just plug them inside of our dashboard here. Search for one that you want. You can search by plugin by what it does, by plugin name. I'm going to go ahead and put in for one of my favorite ones. See if we can find that here. One thing I like about the quick deploy is it can add, quick way to add several of your plugins at once. You don't have to search for them all. So we're going to go ahead and start here. Go ahead and hit the install button. The details will tell you more about it. Once it's installed, you go ahead and hit the activate plugin. And you're good to go. Anyway, we'll be back.